Hey guys, Carter with Window World here to drop 5 home maintenance hacks on great ways to increase the lifespan of your windows and doors. Number 1, DIY window cleaner. You can actually create your own window cleaning solution using a mixture of vinegar and water. Vinegar is an effective and safe cleaner for removing dirt, grime, and streaks from your windows without leaving behind any residue or harmful chemicals. Number 2, use a squeegee for cleaning your windows. We recommend investing in a high quality squeegee, something like this, for streak-free window cleaning. So you start from the top and you work your way down in a reverse S pattern to ensure that you get thorough coverage and minimal streaking when you're cleaning your windows. Number 3, this is a big one, maintain your weather stripping. So you'll want to check your weather stripping around the windows and doors for any signs of wear and tear. You'll want to replace any damaged or worn weather stripping to ensure energy efficiency and prevent drafts during the spring and summer months. You can typically get door weather stripping from any hardware store like Menards or Home Depot. You'll have to check with the window manufacturer to get replacements for your window weather stripping, as typically they're made specifically for each different type of window. Number 4, clean your window tracks. We, at my house, use a vacuum cleaner with a horsehair hose attachment to remove the dirt, dust, and debris from the window tracks. Then, if you want to get really down and dirty, scrub the tracks out with a toothbrush dipped in soapy water to dislodge any stubborn grime. And finish by wiping the tracks away with a clean cloth. Last but not least, number 5, check for leaks or bad sealings. So you'll want to inspect your windows and doors for any signs of leaks or gaps. Apply caulking or sealant to seal those cracks or openings around the window frames and door jambs. This will help prevent air leaks and water intrusion, improving energy efficiency and prolonging the lifespan of your windows and doors. As always, guys, thank you for your time. We really appreciate it. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at windowworldfargo.com or give us a call, 701-526-4545. Have a great day.